Ready? Classwork note, Rahil. Don't touch your textbook. Take out your classwork, a new page. Open it now. Take a new page and write today's date. Yes. Hope all are ready. Now let's see. You have to be very, very careful when you draw. Now, good morning to all. Now, those who are coming in between, it will be a big problem because they won't know how to do it. Now, please write today's date 19/1. Please write today's date 19/1. I don't want any disturbance in between. Please write the heading. This is your notebook. Please write the heading, write the time. Write the time. You're not supposed to leave any line in front, children, any square, because you don't have enough squares. So ma'am will tell you what you have to do. Now, here we are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth column. Fifth column. Okay. You can start from the second column, children, here. Don't start from the fifth column. You can start from the second column, so that you can draw four clocks in a page. You start this from the second column. You put dots like this. 1. See how it's drawn? 3 dots. 3 dots. Start from second column, children. 3 dots. Just keep this as your margin. Don't leave any squares. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots, draw 1 line. I cannot come back to you because I have to show you. First 3 dots. Jake, have you drawn this that line with 3 dots over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, just wait, okay? Next one, ma'am will show you. You have to put that dot nicely so that you can write the time. The next line is C, like this. Look at the screen and draw exactly like this. Just down. You have to start from the second square. All of you listen carefully. You have to start from the second square. First square is the margin. This is your margin. This is your margin. Start from here. Don't go to the fifth one. Now, Tridev, have you drawn this line down?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see, again 3 dots. In between, don't talk, children. See here, 1, 2, 3. Joining. It should be straight, no crooked lines. If you want, once again, I'll show you. First, this line. Sorry. Yes, 3 dots. Then comes here. Then I'll wait. 3. Again, the 3 dots should be very, very big like. So there you're going to write the time. Square book, it's easy to draw this. Now, see here, 1. You use your scale. 1, 2, 3. Again. See the next one, how it comes? Down. Down. Next. Yes. Effie, did you draw this line, Effie?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Kanira, have you drawn this?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll see the next line. Again 3. Look up. Same way. You must not draw here the shape will change. Down over here. Yes. Down. School means I should have come around and see. Now let me see after drawing the first one. Yes, 3. Now next is just join. See how it's drawn the other side. Right side, you have to show the left side too. Children, you start drawing it because we will ask you to draw a clock. So when you write the test, you can write. You can draw neatly on the squares. Then the next 3 dots. See, just parallel to all this here, everything. Then the last one. Now let me see, children. I just want to see you. I see your notebook. See how quiet you all are because you all are concentrating and doing it. John, you are not supposed to draw freehand drawing. You have to draw with your scale. Kanira, show me your clock without numbers. Let me see. Very good. Exactly. Very good. Now I'll tell you what you have to do. Okay. Now listen carefully. Rahil, show me your clock. Outline of the clock. Rahil, 1 minute. Rahil, you took four dots, Rahil. That won't be correct for writing the time. Below, you took 4 columns. Wrong. I'll show you once again. Somebody please help him. Now see here, you have to take 1, 2, 3. That means only 2 columns. You took 1, 2, 3, 4. That means you won't be able to write the time. It will be wrong. Everything 1 column, 1 dot. Dot will be in each column. You have to take 1, 2, 3. Rahil. Now please don't write, children. I want to check. Rita, show me your notebook, Rita. Rahul, only 3 columns. John, show me your notebook.
Ma'am, Rida, ma'am.
Rida, show. Rida, I told you not to leave any line when you start because you have to draw 1 more clock. I don't know why. I told you start from the beginning. John, show me, John. Second column onwards, start. Tridip, show me, Tridip. Judah. Yes, Judah, good. Children, I told you start from this margin. Don't leave any column, the second one. Okay. Now see here, this is your margin means, just think this is your margin, you have to start here. Okay, now let's see the next one. Mark it. All the dots inside you write small, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just write towards this. Next to the dot inside. Okay, the dot is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Each dot you mark. First you mark 3, 6, 9, 12. Because 3 and 9, see, just the opposite. 6 and 12. Rahil, you had 1 more dot, so this will be wrong. There should be 2, 3, 4. And there should be 8, 9, 10. Come on, do it. Yes. 1 clock you draw first. And see the shorthand. Cyrus, can you tell me where the shorthand is pointing to? Pointing at which number?
2, ma'am.
2. Let us see. 2 and the long hand. It shows 12. Can you tell me the time?
2 o'clock.
Very good. Very good. The first one we will do, children. 2. 2. You can write even down over here. Just below that you can write. This will be better, not by the side. You may not have space. Write this 2 down. 2, 2, then 2 dots, then 0, 0. 2 o'clock, neatly. Shorthand should be half the size of the long hand. This hand is called hour hand, and this is minute hand. Long hand shows minutes, and shorthand shows hour. Now, those who have finished, you can do the second one. See here. Just you can leave one square and draw this. Okay. Same thing. Straight to that. See there? Just leave one square and draw. Don't leave 3, 4 squares. This is to make you understand, ma'am. Sir left like this. One more master is watching you all doing it. He will be watching you, how you are behaving, all that. The marks will be entered. So behave properly in class, be good. And see here, you can leave this square and start drawing exactly like that. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots. If you want to draw again, I'll show you. Please do that first, children. I think now.
And how many boxes do we need to leave?
Please keep quiet. Is it Ansh who's talking?
No, ma'am. Judah, ma'am.
What happened, Judah? Even Judah, you're talking all the time. What do you want, Judah? Tell me.
How many boxes we need to leave, ma'am?
How many? Oh, sorry. I thought how many clocks. 1 minute. You just leave only one. Okay, Judah, everybody. I'm telling you, only leave one box and start from here. See, this is one clock. So leave this and start from here. 1, 2,
Okay,
3.
ma'am.
I want you to understand that's what ma'am is shown, like little bigger and big screen like. So 2 clock. You have to draw 2 more clocks. So you don't leave more than 1. You won't have space. 1 or 2, okay, not more than that, okay. It will look neat. See, exactly like the first one. You draw the second one, children. Some children will be fast. And you just mark here little dark, small lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Okay. Where you have all these dots, see, neatly it's drawn. I know it will take time. After drawing the first one, I will ask you to show me. By the time the other children can draw the second one. One minute. Don't say. Let me see your work. If it's not neat, I don't accept it. Okay, let us see. Yes. 1 minute. Who said who finished, Samantha? Who said who finished?
Samantha.
Samantha, show me your notebook. Samantha, I just want to see whether 2 clocks are fitting in the same page. Just on top. Show me your notebook, Samantha. Little closer. Good. Exactly. Okay, great. Akshaya, show me, Akshaya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, very good. Where is the other one? See, Akshaya. Akshaya, you left so many columns here. 1 minute, I'm talking to Akshaya, please. Children, one by one. Akshaya, next. Again, Mukil. Please wait, Mukil. Akshaya, next time you don't leave any column, only one column. Okay, now. Otherwise, you won't be able to fit in. Okay, let me see. What, Mukil? Mukil, tell me now. Okay, Akshaya, keep it down. Show me, I cannot see. Anyway, Mukil, show me.
B.
Okay, but Mukil, all should be straight lines. Little left side. Okay. Now, children, like that, you have to do all. You write the time down. Effie, show me your notebook. Effie, turn off your mic, children. Effie, show me. Show me. Yeah. Now, let me see. Right. I know that all of you know. Please, Rida, don't turn on your mic. And Rida, my parents, don't disturb her, please. Now, don't talk. Now, I'm going to tell the time for the... Just draw don't tell the time, children. Just draw the hand. Short hand towards 4, long hand towards 12. I'll give you time. I'll ask one child. Please do it. I want Shashwata to tell me the time. Shashwata. Akshaya, you can write this time down here. Everything below the clock, no problem. Shashwata.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the time.
4 o'clock.
Good. You can write 4 o'clock down, children. Okay, just below the clock, 2 and 4. Now, all must see, you all can draw the clock and keep, because some children will finish it fast. Now you can leave, please children, leave 2 columns down or 3 columns down, no problem. Here we never left anything, but you have to leave 3 columns down or 2 columns for the next clock. After writing the time below the clock, let me see. Tridip, show me your notebook. Rida, show me your notebook. Tridip and Rida, show me closer. Yes, you can leave 3 columns down. And Tridip, I told you, write the time below the clock. And Tridip, you never use the scale.
Ma'am.
Use the scale, Tridip. That figure is just no scale for you. Rida, show me. Rida.
Ma'am.
Okay, Rida, you don't leave so many columns, Rida. When you draw the next one, start from the second column.
Okay, ma'am.
For me, I don't know, all the children are doing the same. Rida, you leave only 1 column here.
Okay, ma'am.
Margin and draw.
Okay.
Alan, show me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Rida. Alan, show me your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Leave 3 columns down. Horizontally, only 1 column after the margin.
Ma'am.
Sharon, what do you want, Sharon? Only when I call your name, you have to turn on your mic. Alan, show me. Let me see whether you all are doing okay.
Ma'am, can I show?
Show, Alan. Show me the notebook. Yes, Alan. Okay. See, Alan, you can write hereafter, you can write the time below. Now, after writing the time, leave 3 columns and start drawing it. Cyrus, show me your notebook. Okay, good, Alan. Yes. Now, Cyrus, around 4 o'clock should be half the size. 2 o'clock, 2 should be half. You just use your scale to draw. Erase that line for the 4 and draw only half the size. I'll show you once again. Children, this is very important, children. See the 4 here, half the size of this long hand. You must not draw big, that means that is wrong. Even 2, half the size of this long hand. Do the next one. After writing the time, leave 2 or 3 columns and draw. Yes, do it. Slowly. See, children, if you this will be taken for maths class work. 5 marks for this clock. Children, if you don't use your scale, you will never get mark. Some children, those who showed, just did freehand drawing. No, that's not allowed. You can use a bangle to draw the clock, but in your square notebook, this is better. Yes. Write the time, the numbers. Write the numbers. Jaya, what? Hello? Sorry. Yes. Neatly. See, children, I'm showing you each dot and you are not using your scale. Let me see. Don't make any noise. Somebody is coming with. See, 1 minute. Don't turn on your mic. Look here. Long hand towards 12 is very big. Long. This is half the size. Don't tell the time now. Let me see. I'm not happy with the drawing. Niral, can you show me a notebook, Judah? Can only Judah and Niral. Judah, show me closer, Judah. Yes, very good. To left, 2 columns, very good. Now, Niral, show me a notebook. Okay, good, Judah.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who's that? 1 minute, one Niral. Show me. Left side. I cannot see. No. Turn. Left hand, you go to left side. I cannot see the first page. You're showing me the second page. No, I cannot see. Niral, I can see. Next, you little back. You show a little back. Yes, but no, Niral. Why you're drawing so? Okay, let me see. Can you get the numbers 3, 9? Like okay. Okay, but you did not leave. You did not listen. After the first clock, I told you, okay, never mind. Leave 2, 3 columns and only it will be neat. Sharon Pranav, okay, Niral. Sharon Pranav, can you show me? Sharon? Okay, now we'll do it fast because time up. Okay, Sharon, little down. Good. You have to leave squares. Very good. Now, let's see. Sharon, can you tell me the time? Sharon?
9 o'clock, ma'am.
Very good. You can write below, children. Why sir wrote like this? Because in the screen you cannot write down over here. That's what. You can write this 9 down. Don't write 3 also, no problem. 9 o'clock, you can write down. Draw 1 more clock, children. Good, Sharon. Draw 1 more clock neatly. See, this should be very, see how neat it is. Children, when I say 3 columns, you have to leave 3 columns and draw. But these 2 clocks should be same and these 2 clocks should be the same. Yes. I want Jake to tell me the time. Jake.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the time.
11 o'clock.
Very good. Children, you just do it. That will be on the screen. And one important announcement. That means all of you listen. Now all are there. When you send the assignment, you send the assignment all together. Okay. And in one mail, you can send all the assignment together. And 1 minute, you are not supposed to write the answers asking somebody in a hurry. You have to go through all the worksheets and the classwork note. Then only you must write. You start writing after January 25th. So that you can write neatly and it should be neat. I don't want to send it back and all that. Please start writing after 25th and the last day to submit it is 5th February. It's already written there. Don't be in a hurry sending one by one, writing one by one. After 25th or Saturday, this Saturday, like after 25th, you can start. Don't be in a hurry, children. And you have to do it by yourself, like how you're going to write in school. Don't ask anybody any help. You have to write, you have to copy that in your test note. Write all the answers neatly. No, please don't write only the answers. You have to copy the same question paper in your test note. Math should be written in your maths test note. Clear? Then you can send it all, take a photo of it and upload it and send it. All three together. Don't send one by one. Okay, children? Okay, that's what now all the children are there. That's what I told you. Don't be in a hurry. Learn nicely. When you write English, start with a capital letter, end with a full stop. Now you can do it. I think all the 4 clocks are there. Effie, did you complete, Effie? Show me. And then don't say thank you because other children are sitting and doing it. You can just leave the class, go for the next. Very good, Effie. Very good. Actually, it's not needed for you to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock. You know why? Same number. Yes, short and should be short. 1, 2, 3. Kanir. Okay, children. Those who have completed can leave the class.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.